Welcome to your auction admin homepage. Today we'll be going through how to navigate it, as well as going over some awesome features we've added to help you guys customize your auction page. The first thing I recommend is changing your profile photo and your banner photo for your auction. So once those photos are downloaded to your computer, you'll hit Change Image, select the image you'd like from your computer, and once you've done that, you hit Save. The same process will be done for the banner. The next important step I always recommend doing is adding a description to your auction. This is a great place to add what your auction event is about, maybe some fundraising goals you have, your cause, as well as details like the date and time of when it starts. If you scroll to the top, you'll notice that we also have an option to change your banner background color and the banner text. So let's say we want to change the banner background to black, and we want to change the text color to red. Once those colors are selected, you'll scroll down and see that it automatically changes for you. Another awesome customization tool we added is you can actually add, take away, change the name, or even change the order of these options your bidders will see on your auction website. So if you scroll to the top, you'll see that all of those options are now up here. Let's say you want to add the time left to bid button onto your auction page. You simply hit the on button. You'll know it's been added because the button will be lit up blue. Let's say you want to take away the auction terms button. You simply click it off. Let's say you want to have the time left to bid to be the first option your bidders see on your page. You simply click and drag to wherever you'd like it. And another awesome tool is you can hit this little pencil and actually change the name of this button completely. Just make sure you hit save when you're done.